Here we're in one of our Proline buildings. Prolines are a really high quality, substantial garden building. Once you walk in one of these buildings, you'll feel the quality. Here we've gone for maximum light across the front, and we've got our tilt and turn windows. They can either open inwards, or by turning the handle one more time, it enables them to tilt. This is a really good feature. If you want to use it on a windy day, a wet day, you can still have plenty of ventilation and not worry about the wind or the rain coming into your building. A really good way to let in extra light and ventilation into a building is to consider something like a letterbox window. These are inward tilting, which means you can leave them open, they're nice and secure, they'll let lots of ventilation in, and again, on a rainy or windy day, you can just leave them open. Our Proline buildings, you can see they're finished to a really high standard. Our tongue and groove effect internal lining, downlighters, recessed power points, and here we've set it up in a more contemporary style, perfect as the small office or studio. Here we're in another Proline building. This one is approximately 3 meters by 3 meters and creates a really beautiful tranquil space with lots of glazing on the front face, and here we've incorporated a little side hinged window to give you that extra little bit of ventilation when you need it.